Never run out of supplies again. First, log into your Tidy account. On the left-hand menu, look for the Restocking icon and click it. Here, you'll see a full list of items currently in your inventory. To add a new item, click Add Item. You can add anything you want, but we already have a list of common products ready to go, like soap, toilet paper, or cleaning supplies. You can also ask our concierge team to add items for you. Let's use soap as an example. You can choose a name, maybe include the brand, can set the minimum and maximum quantity you want to keep in stock. You can also add a restocking price range. This tells our team the price window they should follow when purchasing. Next, choose where you want the product to be bought and how you want it delivered. You can also leave a note for our team or upload a photo of the exact product you use. When everything's set, just click Add Item, and that's it. Tidy will now automatically keep track of your inventory and ensure items are restocked according to your preferences.